my name is Messi, and today I'll be presenting about my to-do app. My app is an app where you can put things to do like homework or maybe an assignment. You can also set timers on it and set whether or not it is finished, like the status. This is the register / login page. This will be the first page you will see when you open up the app. And there's two options, which is to log in, as you can see here, or create an app. The app will remember your account by storing data in a JSON file, which will store all the user's password and emails. And there's a remember me function, which will autofill when you open up the app again. This is the main window. This is where you put all your things to do and the timer for them. You can add or edit what and when to do something, or set up extra mini notes on things like when the due date is or the page number and their status on whether if they're complete or not. If you click on the timer, you can set a separate timer, and if you have something to do, you can take how much time you're supposed to spend, and you can find an option list to instantly put in the time. You can also find the notes by searching it up on the to-do list window. So this is the to-do list menu. This is the menu with all your things that you can put in your to-do list. You can edit how much time you're supposed to spend and extra notes on it. I have some examples here. You can see the time, and for the homework, you can see their due date. You can also search up the notes, do edit and add. This is a timer window. This is like the timer menu. It functions like a normal timer, but instead of having to input the to-do list time manually, you can just choose from the to-do list by clicking the button, choose from to-do list, and your options will load up. Some things I've improved on and learned is something called JSON, which I recently learned. It's a thing where it allows me to save and store the data for the accounts, so that they don't have to create a new one every time. And thank you for listening and viewing my presentation.
Because you demo your project, you open your project and you demo it. Where? Run a visual code again. Okay, do it. Just do it.
So welcome back. So this is my account.
So it's step by step. Like which step you do it, you will introduce for each step. Okay? Like login, how to input the name, everything.
So this is an example of an account.
Okay, do it.
If I, for example, put something random that doesn't work, you press login, it says it doesn't allow. But if I put in an account that works, oh wait, you can also register here, which you can create an account, full name, email, and sign up. And you can go back, put in your account. And this is my account. So this is the main menu. This is to-do list. For example, if I wanted to view something in the extra notes, I press view, and I can see everything about it. Done. You can see the check mark. This is the status. If that's something I couldn't find, so let's play English. I can just search it up here and it'll load up. I can also edit it. So let's say I finish my English. I just press done, and I'm finished. I can also add, so let's say wake up notes. I think time to start doing 7 o'clock. Let's say 30 minutes. this here is a timer. You can press plus. You can also edit to just write it manually. But the difference is that you can choose from the to-do list. Say math, confirm, and start the timer. And here, and stop, start again, and reset.
Finish.
Yes, I'm finished.
What else do you want to introduce in your project?
Introduce?
You don't have it finished. You don't. What else you want to kind of introduce in your project?
So like what else I wish I could have added or what?
Yeah. So I see your projects, right?
Yes.
So it finished, and now I will ask you a question. Okay? Are you ready to listen my question?
Yeah.
Okay. So the thing is, the question is like that, but now you try to log out your project now.
So you just press log out.
Yeah.
And there's-
So one question.
Because I pressed the keep the login, it autofills.
Okay, so when I want to log in, so before that I want to register a new account.
Yes.
So I used the new account to log in, but when I write 3 words, I forgot because I input a lot of password when I sign up. So the question, if you want to log in the project with the new account, you do it,
Yeah.
but you forget it. When you know it, and when what thing will help you to save the password you input it?
Oh.
It will be saved from what? Because when you input, you will be forget, right?
Yes.
It's like your password have 5 words, but you input to 3rd word, you will be forget. My question that when you create new account, how is have you remember when you forget this word? Do you understand my question?
Yes.
Okay, so now you do it. You do it. Okay.
So there is something called a JSON file here. Users, and as you can see, it gets all your passwords. So this is my freshly new made account, and as you can see, there's only 3 users, but the email, name, and password is saved there.
Oh, yeah, the name is here. So so now you try to create new account, and we will test for its safe injection. You try to create new
So
account.
make a new one.
Yeah, make one. Make a new one.
Let's say. And so, as you can see here, it loads in here.
Okay.
with the fresh
Yeah.
name.
So okay, I know it. It's saving user.json, right?
Yes.
So okay, you click in a VS Code, right? So yeah. Okay, so I know about when you log in main window, you see they have a lot of data. Receive your subject like math, English,
Yep.
literature, history.
Yes.
What? But I don't see it in user JSON. You save it from what?
Oh, it's because it's not in the users. This is only for users, but it's in the to-dos JSON, as you can see in the IDs. I made the wake up thing, and it has an ID. So this is where it saves all the users' to-dos.
Okay. What about note in this JSON? I see it to the
Note?
JSON it have note. What about this note? What about note?
Note.
Note. You put few note in JSON and you load in table for what? You use note for what?
Use notes.
Yeah. It's like math, right?
Yes.
Math always. I know you learn math, but you use notes for what?
To set up a timer on when to do the math, and whether it's complete or not, like the homework for math.
But I see you know you have a lesson 1 to 20.
Yes.
Yeah.
So no, oh, you're asking about that. That's just
Lesson
an
one.
extra side notes on like what page to do and where you should stop.
Okay. So we have time start, time do, and don't text, right? But I see about the few don't text through and don't text phones.
Oh, done task.
What about this?
Done task true means that you've completed it, and done task false means you haven't completed it.
Okay, so this field you write it, but I don't want you complete this tab in another file. It's not indentation. It's not you fix, you delete phones, you write to this. I want you click complete in subject in the main window, and I want to see it's complete. It's same indentation. Do you understand my question?
Yes, I understand.
Okay.
Let's just use the old Gmail. Sign in to-do list. Add them up here.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's currently
You can choose any subject is phone, and you will click complete.
Okay. Yeah.
Try it.
So do you want me to change this one? So I'll change it to done. I'll save it. Go back to this. And as you can see, the thing I just recently done like that.
Yeah.
It is now,
Where you finish history, that's true, right?
it now says true, yes.
Okay. Before that is false.
Yes,
That
it is
is
false.
true. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So okay. So okay. So I want to ask. Okay, intuition, you understand? Oh. Okay. So intuition, you understanding, right? So I want to ask you about something in code. So now you, I see. Okay, you link in index Python for me. Index. Okay. So can I ask you about, very easy. I see you have UIC. UIC. You use UIC for what? UIC dot load UI in line 14.
This
Line 14.
UIC that load UI.
Yeah, you use it for what? Why you use UIC dot load UI?
UIC and why not UI?
Yeah, UIC dot load UI. Why you use it?
It's so that I can load the menu, like the starting page itself.
What else?
This.
Load UI.
Yes.
Okay, you explain again. Explain load UI again. Okay.
It's the thing that loads the window. So like, let's delete this. No. So, for example, if I run, it is a thing that loads the login window, which is the first.
It's like it's like you draw the bag in PT Designer. So you use this to load
Yes.
the bag from PT Designer to the Python.
Yes.
Okay, I understand it. Okay, so I see you use a timer, right? A timer.
Yes, a timer.
Okay. What code you described it? What code you code and the timer action in your project?
Let me get it real quick.
What code the timer is running in your project?
Here's the timer.
Okay, explain it. Explain. See and explain.
So first of all, wait, what's the timer? If you click timer start, it starts the timer. It's all over here. Start timer, stop timer, reset timer, set the timer, and choose a task for the timer.
As a like you button to do it.
Yes, that's from the to-do list.
What about start timer? do you have the class, the function to describe detail start timer? You do it for what? You do it for what? Do you have it? You can see. What about the function start timer?
So do you want me to find it?
Yeah. I want to see the detail code start timers.
Here it is.
Yeah. Okay, explain it. Why is explain it?
So this is start timer, as you can see here. If the time left is over 0, then the timer will just start like normal. If there's nothing left, then it won't do anything.
Okay, so I see, and you have update timers, start timer, and reset timer. So, what about if I see? Can you explain for me two line 340, 341? If cell don't time left over 0, two line, only two line, 340 and 341.
240 and 241.
Yeah.
So like if the time left is above 0, which is like 1 second, 2 seconds, or things like that, it will -1, which is like minusing 1 second, and it will update it, which will update the new information to change the timer.
Okay. So, okay, last question in code, right?
Yes.
Can you describe for me when I want to the code edit?
Edit?
Yeah, edit subject.
Edit. Which one?
Edit subject. It's like edit time.
Oh.
See related about it.
So subject, right? This one?
Okay, explain for me. Explain for me. What about matches? You have matches get first item by name.
You mean
If matches update new dig, okay, can you?
which line? Which line? There's a bunch of them.
Code in function edit item.
So this one, right?
Yeah.
Self-editing. So first of all, if it matches, then you can edit it, and you can change it. And when you change it, as you can see here, it saves to JSON, which updates itself in the to's JSON. As you can see here, which will update the anything really. Like let's say I can change it to something else. Then it will update itself to the JSON. So it's like the thing that changes the to-dos and updates it saves it to the JSON.
Okay, this is good. So, three questions in Kitty Designer. I want Kitty Designer again.
Which one?
Yeah, I want to test
Which
your
one?
I want to test your knowledge in basic because in advanced we talk a lot in Kitty Designer, but I scare you will forget it. So I want to change the color button menu in main window.
This one?
Yeah, no, but button menu
Button.
in main window. Where is button menu?
This one?
Main window. You see
Yes, main window. This one.
Yeah.
Want me
But-
to change?
Button menu. Change color of button menu.
So you want me to change the color of the button?
Yeah, I want to change color orange of this button menu. Yeah.
Sorry, what color do you want me to change it to?
I want to change the text. Remember?
Oh, the text.
No. Listen. The text is red. The text is red, and the background is the text is red. The background is orange. You do it for me.
Okay.
You.
Text is red.
Yeah.
So
If it's hard for you, you can delete old code and create a new code.
that's not what you mean. And what color do you want the text to be?
Red.
Red. What?
Red.
So both the background and the text is red?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait. Now they are both red.
Okay. So I want to change the text again. Is white, please.
Wait.
Okay, now you create for me new page, but new page you create it doesn't stay in your project. You create new page now, and you create for me new button. You create for me new page.
So you want another button?
New page, new page.
Another page, okay.
New page, create new page.
Here.
Good.
With buttons or without buttons?
Add what you want. Anything you want. Okay. Good. So button.
Which one? Push button or button?
You just choose the button random.
So any button, right?
Push button.
Push button, okay.
Mm-hmm. So I want this button circle the corner.
Vertical corner.
Lose the end. Again. They count down, right? This is good. There's a countdown, right?
Huh?
No, do it. Check this again. Check this again. Border what? Okay, apply. Then okay. You what do you border radius, right? Finish. Okay, finish. Border radius. Okay, check it. You can move the label to check. Another widget.
This one?
Label.
Oh, label.
You know why? You have to before you should to remember before you use border radius, right? You have to write border. You have border. That's why you should border radius. You forget it, right? Okay. One pixel solid. Solid, right? Border radius. What will lose the end?
Then
So take label, okay? Do it.
oh, I forgot to add a border.
That's where. Okay.
Where's the one?
Okay, now.
So you see, like it's a little curved, but you can't zoom in. So.
Yeah, I see. Okay. So I have any. Okay, so I don't have any question. They do totally. So I will have some some feedback to talk with you after your presentation. So before what, so I will have feedback with your QT designer. So in your QT designer, that's good, you use the color, but I see something in the field. The text is color, but the background color is yellow. That's why it's really hard for me to see the word, because the yellow is light color and white is light color too, and it's really hard for me to see the colors clearly, So, do you know my feedback?
I'll remember it next time to make better use of the colors.
Okay, so in code you understand it, you explain it so good. So you just be forget about butter radius because that's knowledge you used to try in advance. But I think it's so have a little I skate it's been a long time, that's why you forget a little bit. You know the border is, the circle color is border radius, but you should to remember before you circle the corner, you just have the line. It's like you want to go outside, you have to open the door. If you want to open the door, you can't go outside. You just stay in your home. So that's all thing. I just want to feedback to you, and I hope you receive my experience and try to fix and try to improve it for the next course. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. That's all thing of my feedback